Hi guys, this is Priyanka and welcome to Priyanka's Cooking Lab. Today we're going to make the authentic Medu Vada and Sambar combo. If you want to learn this perfect no-fail recipe, stay with me.
Let's check out the ingredients for sambar first. Here I have taken 1 cup of Toor dal, boiled and mashed, 1 medium-sized tomato roughly chopped, some cumin seeds or jeera, pinch of fenugreek seeds or methi, half tablespoon of mustard seeds or rye, a pinch of Asafoetida or Hing, 2 red dry chilies, half an inch of cinnamon stick, and 2 to 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 clove of shredded garlic, 2 to 3 green chilies cut into big pieces, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of Sambar Masala. I have mixed the homemade and MTR Sambar Masala powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric or Haldi, half a tablespoon of Dhania-Jeera powder, salt according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of seedless tamarind soaking in hot water, and the vegetables. Here I have taken some eggplant or Baigan, bottle gourd or Lauki, carrots, 4 to 5 pieces of boiled drumsticks, and the onions. Let's make the sambar. Here I have started heating 1.5 tablespoon of oil on medium high. Once the oil is heated, adding the mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds to it. Once they start to splutter, add in the pinch of Asafoetida or Hing and saute for 5 to 10 seconds. Now add in the dry red chilies, half an inch of cinnamon stick, and 2 to 3 cloves and saute for another 10 seconds. Add in the garlic and green chilies and saute for another 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon of urad dal and saute until it's light pink in color. Let's add in the vegetables now. Carrots, onions, Baigan and Lauki. You can also choose to boil the vegetables such as Baigan and Lauki to speed up the process. But if you are not in a rush, I would suggest you saute it while you are making. I have just boiled the drumsticks, which we will add later. Cook the vegetables until they are nice and tender. Let's cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Check after 5 minutes. And add in the chopped tomatoes and cook for another 2 minutes. Add half tablespoon of salt and mix it well. Now add half tablespoon of haldi, half tablespoon of Dhania-Jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of Sambar Masala powder, and mix really well. Now add in the boiled Toor dal and mix really well with the masala. And add the remaining half tablespoon of salt. Don't add water just yet. We will let the dal infuse all of the masala flavors for a couple of minutes before we add in the water. Now add in the boiled drumsticks. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. Now add in 1.5 to 2 cups of water and stir really well. Now add in the tamarind pulp that we extracted earlier by soaking in hot water. Cover the lid and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Sambar is now ready to serve. Now let's check out the ingredients for vadas. Here I have taken 2 cups of urad dal that I have washed and soaked in water for 2 hours. Add it to the grinder and blend it until it's nice and smooth in texture. We need half cup of water, which we will add gradually while blending. Don't add all the water at the same time because we may not need all the water. The urad dal batter is now ready. We also need 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, half tablespoon of jeera, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 8 to 10 curry leaves roughly chopped, half cup of fresh cilantros, 5 to 6 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of salt or according to your taste. Now we need to add all of these ingredients to the batter. We also need 2 cups of finely chopped onion that I forgot to mention earlier. Mix everything and whisk really well for 5 to 6 minutes. We want our vadas to be really nice and fluffy, And at the same time, we're not adding any baking soda or baking powder to it. So whisking for 5 to 6 minutes is really important. I have also started heating the oil on medium-high. To make the vadas, wet your palm with some water. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of batter depending on how big or small you want your vadas to be. Press it gently with your another wet palm and make a thick hole in the center. When the oil is medium hot, slowly and carefully slide in the vadas. Place only 3 to 4 vadas at a time. Flip and deep fry both the sides evenly. We need to fry until they turn light golden brown and crisp. Now drain out the excess oil and transfer the vadas onto a paper towel. And that's it. Our sambar vadas are now ready to serve.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do give it a try and let me know how you like the recipe. Also, I'm always open to your feedback and suggestions. And you know the drill. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.